Hey guys, welcome back to Musab's Creative Toolkit. And yes, you get it free. That is literally our slogan, and we mean it. No clickbait, no fake hooks. I am going to show you the result first, right now, on screen. So I am opening After Effects on my Mac right here. I drop in my video clip. Then I add the optical flares effect. After that, I load up the realistic sunlight preset. Position the light source right over the footage, and you can already see the flare sitting perfectly on top of the source video. Now I render it out. Full render. And look, it works. No license error, no pop-up, no crash. Just a clean result. Because last time, a lot of you guys faced that issue, and I wanted to fix that once and for all. Now, if you want the full setup guide with every single detail, join my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. It is completely free, and we have an entire community of creative people in there helping each other out and solving issues together. So if this helped you out, drop a like, hit subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks guys. Peace.